Hey everyone, got a Coach bag here that got some hand sanitizer spilled on it. Hopefully you can see the patches right here. So yeah, it doesn't matter how much you clean it with water, it still ends up looking like that. I did try this thing here though, this leather conditioner, and it did bring it back, but unfortunately it faded again after a few days. So I'm thinking the actual dye might need to be renewed. Picked up this thing here, shoe cream. So let's see if I can't ruin a Coach purse. There's our dye. Not sure what I'm supposed to be using for the applicator, but we'll try this to start. Take just a little bit of that. And it looks like it is working, hopefully. Now to just wipe off any excess that might be lying around. See if we can even this out now. Looks like there's a spot right here. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to leave this for a day or two just to see if that actually worked. Might have to maybe hit it with some of this after, not sure. But yeah, I'm going to know in a day or two, and you're going to know in about 2 seconds. So it's been about a week and a half, nearly 2 weeks now. Now, admittedly, the next day I did hit it with another light coating because I did see it was a little bit uneven. And I did realize after reading the instructions I needed to buff this off. So did that as well too. That was just basically me just taking one of these after it was dry and just doing this. But that spot has not come back. I could probably hit it with the leather conditioner, but don't think there's a need right now. Probably do that in a few months maybe. In any case, if you accidentally spilled some sanitizer on your nice leather purse, at least there's some hope for you. Anyways, thanks for watching. Take care.